Alright, y'all. This is my Glock 43. I am going to do a comparison with the +1 extensions from Hyve, and then there's also Taran's +1. It's clear. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It actually holds 7. And it actually holds 7. Now, with the Hyve, it does gives you some better real estate. It doesn't offer that much print. There's really no print. I can literally wear this in basketball shorts or sweats, and there's no print at all. So turns the Glock 43 into 7+1 in the chamber. But the Taran +1 still offers a low profile, extremely low profile. As you can see, comparing the two, extremely low profile, especially for those who got small hands. For people who got small hands, Taran +1 is a nice extension to own. But for those with big hands, but you still want to conceal a really good concealment, Hyve. And then with the Taran, it's not that bad, but either or, you can fit 7 rounds. Either or, it's a good purchase. I'll go either one. Better than the using the strike, because the strike extends way too much, just for giving you just 2+ rounds. So, this is my review for the Hyve and for the Taran +1s. Either or, it's a really great purchase. I love the Hyve, the feel, especially for concealed carrying purposes. It's great. It's great. Also, the Taran is really good as well because it's smooth. It's real smooth. Either one you can put in your pocket, easily hide. So that's my review for the Taran and plus for the Hyve.